Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello friends, welcome to Quilling Master. I am Dr. Vaidehi Bhandare welcomes you. Lord Ganesha is the god of 14 Vidyas means techniques and 64 Kala means arts. So this year my theme of decoration for Ganesh festival is 14 Vidya and 64 arts. Decoration is totally eco-friendly, made from paper only. First I pray Lord Ganesh and take his blessings and start to describe the decoration. I start from Devara. Devara means a sort of frame or enclosing case for an idol. This is made up of newspaper. Paper tubes of newspaper are made by quilling technique and then stuck to each other by glue and then painted with brown acrylic color. The tower or kalas is painted with metallic golden color. The speciality of Devara is that it is detachable. You can separate the base, the columns and the top, even the shelves of the sides. Front side of Devara is decorated by flowers and leaves made by quilling. You can see the mice in front of Ganesha because those are the vehicles of Lord Ganesha. They are eating modak, which is the favorite dish of Lord Ganesha. There are 14 Vidya or techniques to show that I have made 14 Rushis or saints by paper quilling. I used paper strips for that. 14 Vidyas are 4 Vedas, Rigved, Yajurved, Samaved and Atharvaved. To learn Veda, Vedanga are essential. Those are Vyakaran means grammar, Nirukta means etymology, Jyotish means astronomy, Kalpa means ritual procedures, Chanda arrangement of words so that you can sing means metrics, and last one is Shiksha, technique of teaching and learning or phonetics. Then Nyaya, Mimamsa, Purana and Dharmashastra. There are 64 types of arts. I have tried my best to show those in 3D, but all are not possible to show in 3D. So remaining I have shown in 2D in pictures. I have changed the sequence for my convenience to arrange them. First one is Pattika Vetra Vana Kalpa. To make a cot from jute or cotton strips known as nevar, here is the cot. Yantra Matruka, mechanics, making machines. Here I have shown the mixer and grinder. Attar Vikalpa, art of making perfume and essence from flowers. Here there is a, you can see special gulab dani in which there is rose water and attar dani there it is for used for perfume. Attar means perfume. Gandha Yukti, perfume paste made from herbs. Here you can see the paste made of sandalwood in the ball. Panakaras or Ragasa Yojana, formation of wines or drinks. Here 2 wine glasses and container is shown. Chitra Shabda Pupa Bhaksha Vipaka Kriya. Word is too big and difficult to pronounce, but meaning is very easy. That is art of cooking. You can see a shegdi means stove in which coal pieces you can see. There is a pot called kadhai and a cook also. Malya Grathana, art of making garlands from flowers. Here 2 types are seen. One is Gajra and second is Veni. Shuka Sarika Pralapana, art of knowing the language of birds. So one bird is hung on a ring. Sampathya, to repeat exactly same after hearing. Here is one parrot. Parrot has an ability to repeat the same words. Pushpa Shakatika Nimitta Jnana, art of prediction by seeing your features. It is also known as face reading. This person is observing a photo to predict the future. Vyayamiki Vidya Jnana, art of exercising scientifically. This lady is showing one yoga pose. Abhidhana Kosha Chando Jnana, knowledge of word and making of its verses. One professor is having great Sanskrit poetry book Meghadut full of words and verses. Balakrida Karma, making toys of children. One boy is ready to play football. Utsadhana Kriya, art of oil massage. A lady is massaging a baby with oil. Vriksha Ayurved, knowledge of herbs and art of landscaping. Here one plant is shown. Mesha Kukkuta Lavaka, art of arranging fights of roosters and goat. You can see the roosters, they are in fighting mood. Dyuta Krida, art of gambling. Here you can see the Dyuta or gamble of Shakuni Mama from Mahabharata. Chalika Yoga, art of cheating. Shakuni Mama cheated Pandava in this gamble only. Nritya Jnana, art of dancing. You can see the Bharatnatyam dancer here. In the same figure, I have shown other art of wearing ornaments of gold, diamond, pearls, etc. You can see the dancer has wore all jewelry of gold, pearl and diamond. See her hairstyle. It is very well decorated by the ornaments. Mani Bhumika, to decorate the floor with stones and gems. Tandula Kusumavali means art of decorating floor by rice grains or flowers. Vainaiki Vidya Jnana, art of manners and politeness. It is represented by Maharaja of Air India. Dashana Vasanangarata, it's an art of painting face, teeth, nails and body. In Kathakali dancer, the face is painted. Here one more art you can see is Visheshaka Cheda Jnana, art of putting tilak on it is in the artistic manner. Here the tilak is in special manner. Then comes Udaka Vadya. Here is Jalataranga. It is a musical instrument in which music is played by stroking water containers. It is also one art. Then comes Karanapatra Bhanga, art of making earrings from flowers and leaves. Chitrakala means drawing. Chitra Yoga means painting. A lady has drawn a picture of Ganesha and she is painting it with the brush in her hand. Bhasha Jnana, art of learning many languages. In India, 17 languages are spoken in different states. So to know these all is an art. Malya Grantha Vikalpa, art of wearing different costumes. Lady is very well dressed. Udaka Ghata, Udaka means water. Swimming is an art. A boy is ready with his floats for swimming. Nepathya Yoga, art of wearing clothes according to the season and condition. So this in winter, this boy is ready with woolen cap and muffler. Indrajala, art of magic. A magician is showing his magic. He has taken out a dove from a cloth. Pustaka Vachana, art of reading a book or poetry. Kesha Shekhara Pida Jnana, art of making a crown or coronet of gold or flowers. Durvacha Yoga, art of finding the meaning of difficult words. Here I have shown a saint with a book known as Tantra Yukti. In Ayurveda, we use Tantra Yukti to find the meaning of difficult words. Vastu Vidya, art of civil engineering, means art of building houses. Mani Raga Jnana and Ratna Raupya Pariksha, art of identifying the jewels by color and art of testing the gems and jewels. Here you can see a jeweler who is just testing the diamond. Vadana, art of playing musical instruments. A person is playing a musical instrument. Gayana, आर्ट ऑफ सिंगिंग, म्लेच्छित कला विकल्प, आर्ट ऑफ लर्निंग फॉरेन लँग्वेजेस, तक्षण कर्म, आर्ट ऑफ कार्पेंटरी, हस्तलाघव, art of making artistic work very finely. I think that this is all is shown in these figures Hasta Laghava, because I have made this all by hands and I think it is artistic work. Akshara Mushtika, art of talking using fingers and letters. Pratimala, Antakshari, art of singing a song taking last letter or word of the previous song. Keshamarjana, art of head massage. Kauchumara Yoga, art of making an ugly person beautiful. Kaya Kalpa, art of transforming an old people to young. Vastra Gopana, art of concealment of torn clothes. Suchi Karma, art of darning worn out clothes. Turka Karma, art of making thread using spindle. Pushpas Tarana, art of decorating bed with flowers. Natya Akhyayika, art of acting in drama or movies. Here I have shown picture of Prashant Damle, which is famous artist in Marathi. Akaradnyana, knowledge of mining. I have shown a coal mine. Dharana Matruka, art of increasing memory. Prahelika, art of making riddles and solving it. Kavya Samasya Purti, completing the half-written poetry. Vaijayiki, art of gaining victory. Kriya Vikalpa, to reverse the effect of the thing or drug. Dhatuvada, art of separation of raw metal and alloy, that is metallurgy. Shayana Rachana means decorating the temple, a bed or stage. Here temple is very well decorated. The last one is Manasi Kavya Kriya, making poem instantly. I have done that in Marathi. सुचले कसे हे मला गणेशाच्या स्वागताला, कराव्या 14 विद्या व 64 कला. हीच आहे गजाननाची अगाध लीला. Its meaning is how I get inspired to make 14 vidya and 64 kala for welcoming Lord Ganesha. This is the blessing of Ganesha and thank you so much. I hope you will like this video. Please like it. Thank you.